Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll discuss about date and date value. The date function on the date and time command buttons drop down menu returns a date serial number of the date specified by the year, month and day argument. The date function on the date and time command buttons drop down menu returns a date serial number, returns a date serial number for the date specified by the year, for the date specified by the year, month and day argument. This function uses the following syntax. This function uses the following syntax. Date bracket year month and day, then close bracket. So go to the Excel sheet and type here month, day and year. Then 2/15/1967, 7/23/1938, 11/6/1969, 1/6/1954, 3/3/1998. Then using function date equal date C2 equal date C2 A2 and B2. Close bracket, and you can see 2/15/1967 date is here. So you can drag and drop using this function and see there 1/6/1954 is here. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new video updates.